This is a walk-around and operation of a 2021 Bobcat E26 mini excavator. It has an enclosed cab with heat and AC, and a 6,500-pound operating weight. It has a 25 horsepower, 2-speed diesel engine with 1,000 hours. It digs 8 feet 5 inches deep. It includes a tooth bucket and hydraulic thumb. The rubber tracks are 75%. This excavator is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. It fires right up and operates as it should. Nice size, mid-sized hydraulic excavator. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com